Okay, today is January 28, 2025. I'm actually pureeing my mixed fruits like strawberries, red apples, mango, and red grapes. Okay? Okay. I am pureeing this so that I can make a big or large amounts of jam. All right, so I can preserve this for the next couple of weeks. All right, this is no preservative jams. Everything here is organic, not to, in a sense. It is not in a sense where I am using like extra additives to preserve the jam. Okay. All right, I'm on the pureeing stage right now. This is the first stage of making jam. All right. Okay. I'm almost done pureeing this. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna transfer it to the casserole. Okay, right now I am transferring this to the casserole, okay, from the blender pitcher. All right, as you can see it here. All right, okay, almost there. Hold on, let me get my spoon. I have the spoon almost empty. All right, put it there. All right, I got all the ingredients on the casserole right now. That includes the cinnamon, 1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay. All right, it's all there. So I just have to wait. All right. So I set it the time for 15 minutes. I'm gonna simmer it for that long, so that the water will be reduced. Right, and all I have here is now it's just the sugary part of the fruits, and it's less water, so it's another way to put it, it's dehydrated. Right now it's still a lot of water, so that's exactly what I'm trying to do right now. All right, okay, after reducing the water, now I just added my maple syrup and my brown sugar. Okay. All right. Allow me to mix it up. Okay, this is the final product of my mixed fruits jam right here. Okay, it's all here. All right, today is January 28, 2025. Jerico Matias Cruz here. This is my large batch or large amount of mixed fruits jam right here. All right.